Okay, so today we're going to take a deep dive into this channel, Vitality Vibe.
Mm-hmm.
We're all about, the future of wellness.
Right.
And how tech is going to, totally change the way we think about our health.
Yeah.
Full disclosure, the stuff we're looking at is promotional. It's meant to get people excited about their content. But the thing that caught my eye is it's not just the same old fitness trackers and calorie counting apps. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
This is like AI and biofeedback. They're looking at all the really cutting edge stuff.
That's what makes Vitality Vibe so interesting. It's like they're positioning themselves to be the place to go for anyone who wants to be ahead of the curve.
Exactly.
When it comes to tech and well-being.
And they're not just throwing around buzzwords.
Right.
They're actually giving specific examples of how this tech could be used.
Exactly.
Imagine an AI fitness app that doesn't just track your steps, but also analyzes your sleep, your heart rate variability.
Wow.
Even your mood.
Interesting.
To give you personalized workouts and make sure you get the best results.
That's what they're talking about, using AI to create these really personalized wellness plans.
Yeah.
And it's not just fitness.
Right.
They're also looking at how tech can improve mental well-being using things like biofeedback.
Okay, so I got to admit,
I'm
not really that familiar with biofeedback.
Sure.
What is that exactly?
So basically, it's a technique where you're trained to be more aware of your body's physiological responses, things like your heart rate, muscle tension, even brainwave activity, and learn to control them.
Interesting.
And Vitality Vibe is looking at how tech can be used to make this whole process more effective, allowing people to manage stress better, improve their focus, even alleviate some health conditions.
So they're basically saying technology is the key to unlocking a healthier, happier future.
That seems to be their message,
Right.
They're presenting it as a shortcut.
Okay.
A way to achieve optimal well-being, but more quickly and efficiently.
That definitely sounds appealing.
Yeah.
But it makes me wonder.
What's that?
I've tried those fitness trackers, and sometimes it felt like I was just collecting data instead of actually getting healthier.
I can see that.
Do you think there's a risk of becoming too reliant on technology for our well-being?
Absolutely. That's a great point. And it's a valid concern.
Yeah.
I mean, the promise of a shortcut is tempting, right?
Right.
But we got to remember that technology should be a tool to support us.
Yeah.
Not replace the fundamentals of a healthy lifestyle.
I think that's so important.
It is.
Tech can help us optimize.
Yes.
But it shouldn't do the work for us.
Exactly. It's about finding that balance.
Right.
And that leads us to another point. Vitality Vibe is emphasizing their video content. It seems that's their main way of delivering all this futuristic wellness wisdom.
They're really encouraging people to subscribe to their channel, hit the notification bell.
Right.
Stay tuned for all their insights.
Yeah, but thinking about all the content out there.
I know, right?
It makes you wonder about information overload.
Yeah, could this just be adding to the digital noise?
It certainly could. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of new tech and the promise of quick fixes.
Yeah.
But we have to approach this information critically, evaluate the sources, and most importantly, listen to our own bodies and intuition.
So to wrap up our deep dive, it seems Vitality Vibe is a resource for anyone interested in the cutting edge of health and wellness technology.
Exactly.
They're excited about AI.
They are.
Focused on the future, and they believe technology can really make a difference.
Yeah. It's a fascinating glimpse into a future.
It is.
Where tech is even more integrated into our health and well-being.
And that leads us with this question for you to think about.
Okay.
As technology keeps evolving, how can we make sure we're using it to empower ourselves?
Yeah.
To make conscious choices that really support our well-being.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just to collect data.
No.
But to live healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lives.
Absolutely.
You know?
I agree.
I think that's a good place to end it.
Yeah, I think so too.